I need you to hear me. If you are on a GLP-1 medication, you need to start a YouTube channel. You need to share your story. I'm going to tell you exactly why. I'm going to give you the reasons. And in this series called Behind the GLP-1 Girl Code, I am going to show you and teach you and I guess just share all of the things that I have done to grow this channel and to essentially literally create a business. It is a legit LLC. The GLP1 Girl Code is an LLC. It is filed with the state. It is a legit business that is bringing in about $6,000 per month right now. And we're in the early stages. Like, I literally just started this YouTube channel in February of this year. Guys, this is the beginning stages of the GLP1 Girl Code. This is the beginning stages of really having a YouTube channel. I've grown my YouTube channel to over 7,000, almost 8,000 subscribers since February of this year. And it is growing pretty rapidly. And there is a strategy behind it. I'm not just like throwing things to the wall. I am not just like, there are things that I am doing to ensure that my videos get pushed by the algorithm, to ensure that people are seeing my videos. There are things that I have done, there are things that I have learned, and I want to share all of this with you because I truly believe that if you are on a GLP-1, you have a story, you have a journey, and it is worth sharing. There are people out there that want to hear from you. There are people out there that will resonate with your story, and your story is worth sharing. And you can make some extra money on the side just from sharing your journey. Like, it's a win-win. The community that you can build, the people who stand behind you. Starting a YouTube channel is the best decision that I have ever made in regards to my social media adventure, because I had a TikTok. I've had a TikTok since 2023. Since I started my GLP-1 medications, I've had TikTok. I've had Instagram. And while I do love both of those social media outlets, starting a YouTube channel is what catapulted me into starting the GLP-1 Girl Code, starting a business, running a business, and knowing and understanding that I could do this. And that all stemmed from this YouTube channel. That all stemmed from all of you who are watching my channel. And I just think that this could be like, there's space for all of you. There is space for you. There is space for your story. And in this new series that I'm going to be posting on Fridays here on this channel, I am going to go over all of it. I'm going to talk about everything. Ask me all of the questions. Any question that you have about YouTube, about social media, about starting a business, about the GLP1 Girl Code membership, about starting a membership, any question that you have about my business. It's so weird to call it a business. It's so insane. It is a business. But any questions that you have, ask me in the comments, because I want to share this with you and I want you to literally copycat me and do the exact same thing. I want you to start a YouTube channel and I want you to share your story. And we're gonna talk about exactly how to do that in this series. And in this video, we'll just talk about how we got to the point that we are at today. So in February of 2025, I posted my very first video to this YouTube channel. I actually have tried YouTube channels in the past. Exactly a year before, in February of 2024, I also started a YouTube channel. And I learned so much from that situation, so much from that journey, that I was able to start this new YouTube channel with all of that knowledge and all of the strategy that I learned, and it worked. And that's the only thing that I can say. Like, I'm not a YouTube guru. I'm not a YouTube coach. I don't really want to be. But what I do want to be is someone that is convincing you on a GLP-1 journey to start a YouTube channel. Because if you can bring in an extra $1,000 per month for your family, would that not be an added benefit? I mean, $1,000, it's not life-changing money, but think about where that could be in a year or two or so forth. Like, think of the things that you could do with an extra $1,000 right now. So in February of this year, I posted my very first video. For an entire month, nothing happened. Literally crickets. I was getting like 30 views per video. It was crickets. I almost threw the towel in. Like, I almost gave up. And then all of a sudden, I believe it was my 10th or 11th video, it started picking up. People started watching it. People started commenting. It started becoming a community. And then after that, every single video that I posted got more and more and more views until I had one that went a little viral. It's sitting now at 68,000 views, which to me is viral, but it's been like this slow build. It's like a 4-month-old video. But having that video in particular was the video that went semi-viral, was perfection because it was my story. It was literally my GLP-1 journey. That was it. I shared my GLP-1 journey. That video went semi-viral. I got a ton of new subscribers. And the thing is those subscribers were subscribing for my story. They weren't subscribing to shorts that had like this before and after miracle transformation. They weren't subscribing to a fast weight loss story. They were subscribing to my story, which means they were connecting and resonating with my story. And when you have people who connect and resonate with your story, they are so loyal. I have people who comment on every single one of my videos. I have people who I'm recognizing in my comments. And it is the coolest thing ever to build a community. And I didn't have that before on the other social media platforms until actually recently, because a lot of you are going over to my other social media platforms, and now Instagram feels really good as well. But it was this catapult from YouTube to Instagram. And now I have this like beautiful community of people on both platforms. And when you have a community of people, they're going to watch your videos. They're going to comment on your videos. And the more people that watch your videos and the more comments that you get and the more engagement you get, the more YouTube will pay for your videos. My very first AdSense check was for half a month and it was $500. My very first full month of AdSense was $1,100. I made more than $1,000 my first full month of AdSense. And here's the deal. Because our content is GLP-1 related, because our content is in the health field, in the weight loss field, ads are better. Like, you get paid more for ads in our particular genre, in our particular niche, than many of the other niches. Like, you are sitting on a story that people want to hear. You are sitting in the health niche without even changing anything about yourself. You're doing it. You are literally living it right now. And all you have to do is press record, and you can bring in an extra $1,000 per month. Now, there is a little bit more strategy behind this, right? But I want to share. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. Every single Friday, we're going to talk about how you can start your own YouTube channel and share your GLP-1 journey. We're going to talk about how you can bring in an extra $1,000 per month or more for your family. We're going to talk about how you can build a beautiful, thriving community here on YouTube, because YouTube is, in my opinion, the best platform. And I can't wait to share all of this with you. So ask all the questions down below. I want to know what you want to know so I can make these videos as helpful and as useful as I possibly can for you, so that you press record. Just press record and start your own channel. Do it. Oh, it's the coolest thing ever. It is so much fun. And you get to have fun and make money at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to link the playlist for this whole series right here, which if this is the very first video, there's going to be nothing here. But later on, there will be more videos here that you can click on. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.